嚟到第8場嘅賽事，咁啊當然今日嘅戲肉所在啦。渣打冠軍暨遮打杯2400米嘅一級賽，紅燈亮起就馬匹入閘啊！白河飛區、譽滿杜拜，好啦，球星，順利，當年情安晴5匹馬順利入咗閘，智取神駒入閘亦都冇問題。好啦，遨遊氣泡順利，標誌5字遊龍串鳳，最後入閘係有目共賞。全部馬匹準備妥當第8場賽事，渣打冠軍暨遮打杯，準備好嚟一起步嘅時候啊，咁啊大家都平排出閘嘅，咁啊前面快少少個馬啦，最出嗰邊有隻遊龍串鳳啊，中間就白河飛區啦，智取神駒亦都擺咗前面嘅位置走噶啦，內欄第4位藍衫就譽滿杜拜啊，第5位遨遊氣泡啊，後邊嗰5匹馬啦，分別有呢隻咧就當年情啦，標誌5支啦，尾3位置係球星啊，暫時殿後一隊紅衫外邊係安晴啊，入邊走咗上去咯，尾二位置綠衫粉紅帽係有目共賞嚟噶，好啦。啱啱第一次過終點嘅時候啦，前面放嘅馬咧就係嗰隻智取神駒嘅遊龍串鳳啊，跟住個第2位啊走咗出去，外邊第3位咧就譽滿杜拜，內欄第4橙帽咧係白河飛區啊，第5位咁啊就係呢隻遨遊氣泡啦，後邊嗰5匹馬位置變動上面都唔係好大噶啦，當年情啦，尾4位置係標誌5支啊，攝咗入去內欄咧仲有球星啦，後邊2匹馬紅衫尾二係安晴啦，暫時殿後係有目共賞嚟噶，開始跑對面直路接近14米嘅段處啊，前面咧都仲係智取神駒拋嚟咗個幾身位啊帶頭嘅，第2位嘅馬係遊龍串鳳啊，譽滿杜拜係第3啦，出邊有馬走喎，紅衫係安晴走咗上去啊，中間咧仲有呢隻第5位係遨遊氣泡啊，內欄第6咧橙帽仲有隻白河飛區啊，後邊嗰4匹馬標誌5支啦，內欄尾3係當年情啊，後邊2匹馬球星暫時殿後仍然係有目共賞嚟噶，好啦，過呢個1000米嘅段處啦，前面放咗出嚟仲係智取神駒啊，外邊安晴一路俾住走咗上去啊，中間夾住咧藍衫就譽滿杜拜啦，第4位外邊遨遊氣泡慢慢上咗啲啦，埋邊第5仲係遊龍串鳳，第6位橙帽嗰隻白河飛區啊，後邊4匹馬標誌5支當年情球星啊，暫時殿後仍然係有目共賞嚟嘅，好啦，轉彎入直路啦，3隻馬平排啊，埋邊啊智取神駒，中間譽滿杜拜，出邊啊安晴啊，遨遊氣泡響第4位白帽攞出去外邊啊，出邊追嘅馬仲有白河飛區啊，周馬偷入邊上仲係遊龍串鳳，最出嗰邊呢仲有標誌5支，最後200米到啦，遨遊氣泡好輕鬆已經出咗嚟啦，埋邊呢仲係譽滿杜拜，白河飛區響中道，外邊有標誌5支，中間仲係遊龍串鳳啊，最後100零米遨遊氣泡正式成為長途3冠王，贏出呢場遮打杯啊，球星跑第2，第3名嘅馬就係呢隻白河飛區啊！呢隻遨遊氣泡都犀利啦，繼翠河喺93、94年度之後，相隔咗超過30年啦。喺今屆24、25年度，呢匹遨遊氣泡正式成為第2匹長途3冠王啊！1600董事杯冇問題，2000香港金杯一樣得，嚟到呢場遮打杯2400米，將對手遠遠拋甩，贏出呢場賽事啊！
相隔咗31年，我哋再有3冠馬王誕生，遨遊氣泡今日係君臨天下嘅姿勢，捧走呢一場賽內最後一場嘅1級賽。麥道朗、姚本輝呢對組合啊，1.8倍大熱門勝出嘅，跑第2名，沿住個內欄追上嚟球星。第3名係白河飛區，第4名呢就安晴、譽滿杜拜嗰啲要影相啦。
恭喜晒遨遊氣泡啦，馬主團體啦，真係31年啦，呢個紀錄仲要係好難破，真係非常之感動啊！恭喜晒啦，姚本輝啦、麥道朗啦同馬主團體啊，見到馬主咧都真係好開心啊！
今日起碼添啊，遨遊係
咁啊，遨遊波士就半冷門啦。
昔日話遮打杯跑馬王，我諗跑埋今日。都有一個，大家都各自自己心目中有定案啦。
同埋最感動嘅係唔係好多馬去挑戰， 挑戰已經係一好大嘅勇氣啦，仲要成功咧，即係30年一遇啦。咁我自己睇馬唔係睇咗多年，都覺得可以親眼見證係好感動嘅事啊！
喂，翠河當時做三冠馬王啊，跑2200米啫，打杯依家跑2400，其實難度啊更加大。咁啊，麥道朗啊贏埋呢場一級賽咧，咁佢嗰個浪琴全球最佳騎師榜咧，佢又加咗啲分啦。
Yes, thank you very much, Tom. Quite an extraordinary place to be this afternoon. A second Triple Crown winner here in Hong Kong. James McDonald, you and this horse take about. What a performance.
Yeah, he's so lucky to be riding him, and he's just a brilliant racehorse who just he just does everything you ask of him, and he's so willing. He was on song today, and yeah, I just feel very lucky to be riding him. That's for sure. He's just such a star.
And to round them up like that, James, over a mile and a half, there were some good, strong stayers in that race. I mean, he's made them look ordinary and they're not.
Yeah, absolutely. And he's always promised, he just switches off and allows himself to get the distance so well. And I want to pay credit to the U stable. They've done a remarkable job with this horse. Great training effort, a mile to 2400. They're absolutely incredible. And but they've got a champion racehorse on their hands, and he deserves all the accolades he gets.
He does indeed. Well, the history books have been rewritten here at Shelton this afternoon. Well done, James.
Yeah, that's awesome. I'm very proud of that.
妥當第8場賽事，渣打冠軍旗遮打杯，準備好嚟一起步嘅時候啊，咁啊大家都平排出閘嘅，咁啊前面快少少個馬啦，最出嗰邊有隻遊龍串鳳啊。中間就百賀飛區啦，智取神區亦都擺咗前面嘅位置走噶啦。內欄第4位藍衫就圓滿杜拜啊，第5位遨遊氣泡啊，後邊嗰5匹馬啦，分別有呢隻咧就當年情啦，標誌5支啦，尾3位置係球星啊，暫時殿後一隊紅衫外邊係安晴啊，入邊走咗上去咯喎，尾二位置63粉紅帽係有目共賞嚟噶。好啦，啱啱第一次過終點嘅時候啦，前面放嘅馬咧就係嗰隻智取神區嘅遊龍串鳳啊，跟住個第2位啊走咗出去喎，外邊第3位咧就圓滿杜拜，內欄第4橙帽咧係百賀飛區啊，第5位咁啊就係呢隻遨遊氣泡啦，後邊嗰5匹馬位置變動上面都唔係好大噶啦，當年情啦，尾4位置係標誌5支啊，攝咗入去內欄咧仲有球星啦，後邊2匹馬紅衫尾二係安晴啦，暫時殿後係有目共賞嚟噶。開始跑對面直路，接近14米嘅段處啊！前面咧都仲係智取神區拋嚟咗個幾身位嘅帶頭嘅，第2位嘅馬係遊龍串鳳啊，圓滿杜拜係第3啦，出邊有馬走喎，紅衫係安晴走咗上去啊，中間咧仲有呢隻第5位係遨遊氣泡啊，內欄第6咧橙帽仲有隻百賀飛區啊，後邊嗰4匹馬標誌5支啦，內欄尾3係當年情啊，後邊2匹馬球星暫時殿後仍然係有目共賞嚟㗎。好啦，過呢個1000米嘅段處啦，前面放咗出嚟，仲係智取神區啊！外邊安晴一路俾住走咗上去啊！中間夾住咧藍衫就圓滿杜拜啦，第4位外邊遨遊氣泡慢慢上咗啲啦，埋邊第5仲係遊龍串鳳，第6位橙帽嗰隻啊百賀飛區啊，後邊4匹馬標誌5支當年情球星啊，暫時殿後仍然係有目共賞嚟嘅。好啦，轉彎入直路啦，3隻馬平排啊，埋邊啊智取神區，中間圓滿杜拜，出邊啊安晴啊，遨遊氣泡響第4位白帽攞出去外邊啊，出邊追嘅嘛，仲有百賀飛區啊，針啊偷入邊上，仲係遊龍串鳳，最出嗰邊呢，仲有標誌5支，最後200米到啦，遨遊氣泡好輕鬆已經出咗嚟啦，埋邊呢，仲係圓滿杜拜，百賀飛區響中道，外邊有標誌5支，中間仲係遊龍串鳳啊，最後100零米，遨遊氣泡正式成為長途3冠王，贏出呢場遮打杯啊，球星考第。
好啦，睇下第4名張相啦，咁啊第4名就係2號嘅圓滿杜拜啊。
遨遊氣泡都順利捧走埋3冠大賽嘅尾關，咁啊亦都為馬主咧額外帶嚟咗1000萬嘅特別獎金。
第8場賽事復榜完畢啦，都好定啊，始終守住嗰個位，位置 Q 1搭6 54個半，1搭3排44個半，3搭6派253蚊。2重彩1號6號順序247蚊。 4連環1號、2號、3號、6號派255蚊。4重彩1號、6號、3號、2號順序派6036蚊。孖寶頭關3尾關1正獎派68個半，頭關3尾關6安慰獎派132個半。
結果啊，中間就突然間出現一啲即係賽事嘅形勢突變啦，咁啊令到佢更加好跑。好少可潘頓呢嗰啲位咁樣鏟上嚟鬥走嘅。
咁我抽分段時間嘅時候呢，頭兩段已經慢㗎啦，咁第3段去到26秒11，可能潘頓都覺得唔係好對路啊。今日呢嗰個位好難追。
嗰度走唔係問題，佢走咗之後，佢寧願喺三碟度拍住前面一對馬一路走。其實嗰度佢係應該，即係如果以潘頓嘅性格，拖一拖縮翻落前面一對馬後邊咪得咯。嗰度根本拉到好闊嘅。咁當然佢咁樣跑，後邊路遊戲跑更加好跑啦。咁但係嗰度佢跑錯啲嘅啫，喺我心目中，即係案情係應該嗰度留翻咯。
即係佢擺咗喺前面呢，搞到圓滿杜拜有少少上咗口啦。咁啊，圓滿杜拜點解澳遊戲跑位置有13蚊？因為圓滿杜拜位置1.0咯。
原本杜拜唔值咧，呢度我都話級數根本都唔係澳遊氣泡級數，都話象王都可以跑贏佢嘅，咁你點會同澳遊氣泡有得比啊？而家只跑長多400啫。
恭喜晒啦，馬主團體澳遊氣泡啊！咁啊，相隔31年啦，歷史一路都講話，即係30年一遇啊！我哋再次出現3冠，係咪馬王啊後話啦？不過呢個紀錄都唔容易破啊！
咁你又有膽量去挑戰先啦，首先係咪？你都要肯去跑咯。
有膽量，亦都要有能力。
最初澳遊氣泡嗰啲頭馬呢，就好多唔同騎師嘅，咁但係到最尾原來係麥道朗最夾。麥道朗依家都手執我哋香港2大王牌，浪漫勇士同澳遊氣泡，
都好難唔係佢最夾嘅全球最佳騎師。咁最好就揾佢，係啊！
佢能夠成為全球最佳騎師，我哋呢2匹馬係幫佢非常之大嘅助力喎。因為佢上年其實唔係浪漫勇士同佢嘅話呢，莫亞都好高機會嘅。
Will now commence.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause to congratulate Voyage Bubble, winner of the Standard Chartered Champions and Chater Cup, the final leg of the Triple Crown Series and this season's 12th and final Group 1 race. 渣打冠軍暨遮打杯係今季第12場，同時間亦都係最後一場嘅國際1級賽事，亦係3冠大賽嘅尾關。今屆嘅盟主係由澳遊氣泡勝出㗎，恭喜晒！我哋俾啲掌聲好冇？ After winning the Standard Chartered Champions and Chater Cup today, Voyage Bubble becomes the second horse after River Verdant to sweep all 3 Group 1 races of the Triple Crown Series, earning an additional bonus of 10 million Hong Kong dollars. 恭喜晒澳遊氣泡，繼一代名區翠河後，成為第2匹喺同一季內囊括3冠大賽全部賽事嘅賽區，獲得港幣1000萬元嘅特別獎金，恭喜晒！好，我哋即刻開始我哋嘅頒獎儀式。Let's start our presentation. But we now invite our club steward, Dr. Silas Yang, to present the Standard Chartered Champion and Chater Cup and a miniature to winning owner Sunshine and Moonlight Syndicate of winning horse Voyage Bubble. Received by Mr. Cheng. 好，我哋嘅本會董事楊兆信博士而家咧就將渣打冠軍嘅遮打杯以及小型獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬澳遊氣泡嘅馬主日月輝煌賽馬團體嘅，我哋有請兩位程生咧就接受嘅。And now I'd like to invite Dr. Yang to present a Triple Crown Series bonus of 10 million Hong Kong dollar check to the winning connections of Voyage Bubble, the Sunshine and Moonlight Syndicate. 楊兆信博士而家將一張咧就係港幣1000萬元嘅特別獎金嘅支票頒發俾澳遊氣泡嘅馬主㗎，咁我哋有請張生代表接受㗎。May Dr. Yang continue to present a miniature to each of the winning trainer, Mr. Ricky Yiu。繼續我哋有請楊博士就係將小型獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅練馬師姚本輝。And lastly, Dr. Yan, please present a miniature to our winning jockey, James McDonald. 楊博士現正將小型獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅騎師麥道朗。Thank you so much, Dr. Yang. Our sponsor, Standard Chartered Bank, has prepared a set of souvenirs for our winning connections. May we now invite Mr. Benjamin Hong, President International of Standard Chartered Bank, to present a souvenir to winning owner Sunshine and Moonlight Syndicate. And we have Syndicate representative to receive this. 而家我哋有請渣打銀行國際業務總裁洪丕正先生咧，就致送紀念品俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅馬主日月輝煌賽馬團體嘅，咁我哋有請團體代表接受嘅。Thank you, Mr. Hong. Ms. Mary Hoon, CEO, Hong Kong and Greater China and North Asia of Standard Chartered Bank, is now going to present a souvenir to winning trainer Ricky Yiu. 而家我哋渣打銀行香港兼大中華及北亞區行政總裁禤惠儀女士現正將紀念品致送俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅練馬師姚本輝先生，恭喜晒！ And now I'd like to invite once again Mr. Hong to present a souvenir to winning jockey James McDonald. 最後再次有請洪生咧就致送紀念品俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅騎師麥道朗嘅。Thank you, congratulations, James. And James, I'd like to invite you to present a beautiful bouquet of flowers to Ms. Mary Hoon. 咁我哋騎師咧亦都為禤女士咧致送花束㗎。Thank you so much. Congratulations once again. Let's all remain for a group photo together. 有請大家留一留步㗎，我哋影一張大合照去紀念呢一個歷史性嘅一刻啊！我哋望一望我哋全部嘅馬迷同埋我哋嘅傳媒朋友。Let's look to the front at all our media friends here, and also all our racing fans here at Sha Tin Racecourse today. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain where you are. Please remain standing. And please remove your hats for the national anthem of the winning country, China. 跟住落嚟，我哋有請我哋香港警察樂隊演奏勝出頭馬所代表國家中國嘅國歌，有請各位起立並隨舞，奏國歌。Congratulations once again to Voyage Bubble. 再次恭喜晒澳遊氣泡㗎。Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the trophy presentation. Congratulations once again to the winning owner, trainer and jockey. 我哋渣打冠軍暨遮打杯頒獎儀式已經圓滿結束，我哋下次再見，恭喜晒，拜拜。
睇翻今年遮打杯嘅巡迴影片啊，一開閘呢，安慶其實個手俾人哋夾咗落去嘅，就係呢度啊，智取神區硬嗰隻標誌5支，標誌5支再硬咗嗰隻安慶落去。咁啊前邊就有龍串鳳啦，同埋智者神區擺喺前邊啦，咁啊守咗個第3就百河飛區啦。咁但係一陣走下呢，佢就喺嗰隻愛遊氣泡後邊嘅。圓滿杜拜好快決定唔要欄啦，要2碟，咁啊愛遊氣泡跟住佢啦。貼欄當年情標誌5支，球星喺2搭尾3，後邊一對蔡愛漢嘅馬有目共賞同安慶。
愛遊氣泡都刻意留後少少，希望一定要有遮擋啦。始終第一次跑呢個路程，咁早段如果你話鬥多咗就麻煩啦。好彩呢度啊揾到個遮擋啊，好舒服呢位跑得。不過初都驚啊，今日都難追㗎嘛，走外碟啊呢個位啊。
睇頭先起步咧，潘頓嗰啲手勢咧，我諗佢想跟前嘅，即係呢隻安情，結果咧俾隔離左右兩隻馬一夾咗落去個尾二位置啊。
咁啊變好惡劣啦！而家呢個形勢安情，咁所以一陣間趁慢步速咧，佢嗰度都刻意即係轉位走翻上嚟啊！等佢轉埋呢個彎先啦。
咁呢度 feel 到步速慢啦，前面智取神區撳得慢嘅話，潘頓呢其實都未開始騎嘅，等隻馬自己慢慢游上嚟。
咁都冇乜馬話刻意跟佢啊，頂佢噶啦。呢個麥道朗望一望，上啦，我唔會頂你嘅咁啊。潘頓話 OK，
球星獎啊，
慢慢嚟，
球星拱咗佢有目共賞出去，跟住播文諗下，誒都係唔好啦。
唉，
唔知你前面發生咩事，仲有咁長嘅途程。
但係圓滿杜拜就梗係唔會無啦啦咁樣俾咗個位你啦，就開始即係由800米開始一路頂住佢啦。
咁啊變咗即係大家鬥多咗咯呢度。
圓滿杜拜好似俾兩隻馬夾住，就自己好想湧上去。
好似好行咁啊隻馬。
其實圓滿杜拜嗰度可能俾安清埋嚟，佢自己亦都會好啲啊。呢度鬥多咗翻嚟啊，得翻梗頸。
呢個位一啊正晒啦，
正晒。布文都醒㗎呢度，即係布文嘅卡士就喺度啦。
走入
啲大賽走入慳晒同你跑，有目共賞。如果衝得順啲咧，佢有機會有 Q 嘅。其實呢場前邊贏緊㗎啦，嗰隻愛遊氣泡篤定啦呢度。
跟住安慶啊，圓滿杜拜鬥多咗。
係啦，百河飛區上嚟。
但係都反映到啦，我哋今年嘅4歲賽區都幾好質素啊！喺呢一場賽事入邊，
有目共賞。呢度先真係望空都仲有少少挨碰嘅，頭先嗰度。呢度先至望空騎落去，好細嘅根本。
咁啊，睇下分段時間啦。頭段25秒36，第二段25秒37，第三段26秒11，第四段22秒8，第5段23秒32，末段23秒71，完成時間2分26。